Paano nga ba gumawa ng bootable USB? First, need natin i-search yung specific na gusto natin i-download. For example, Windows 10. So, after natin ito ma-search, pindutin natin yung Create Windows Installation Media. Download. After that, lalabas yung ganito and next lang natin. And then, maghintay lang tayo dahil ito na tayo sa medyo matagal na part. After that, lalabas yung applicable notice and license terms. Basahin na mabuti at i-accept natin and next. Sunod naman, lalabas dito na what do you want to do. Pipiliin natin yung Create Installation Media USB Flash Drive DVD or iOS file for another PC. And next. After that, may lalabas din na choose which media to use. And gagamitin natin is USB flash drive. And then next. Lalabas din dito yung select USB flash drive. Ngayon, ang kailangan natin dyan is yung mismo USB na ginamit natin and then next. After that, ito na tayo sa medyo matagal-tagal na part na processing yung downloading ng Windows. For me, matagal siya because yung laptop na gamit ko is medyo mabagal-bagal. Pero if yung laptop nyo is maganda, siguro mas mabilis-bilis siya ng konti para sa inyo. And after that, ma-download. Next natin. Hintayin lang natin matapos na yung creating Windows 10 media. And after that, pwede na natin magamit yung USB flash drive. And pindutin lang natin yung finish and okay na. Yun lamang po. Salamat.